Hi, Max. Is that your first Christmas? Yeah, did you wait for Santa all night? Did you sit in your swing and wait for Santa all night? Did you see him? Oh, I think you did, but you're not gonna tell, huh? Yeah, you're not gonna tell. Are you thinking about Santa? Yeah? Are you thinking about Santa? Should we go wake up your sister? Should we go wake up your sister and tell her that Santa came and brought her presents? Yeah? Do we want to go get her? Oh. Yeah. Go get Thissy, huh? All right. We're going to go get her. All right.